Hello everybody, welcome to my first unboxing of the Fujifilm X-T4. Here is the box. Stay until the end to see some footage I will shoot with the X-T4. Here you have the papers that came with the box. And the first manual. Here you have the caution paper. And over here you have QR codes, one for the manual and the other one is for pairing your camera with your smartphone. And here we have the Fujifilm X-T4. Let's leave this on the side for the moment. And on the second part of the packaging we have the cables. A USB-C cable, a neck strap, the USB-C camera charger, the new bigger battery, and the USB-C cable to jack. Let's get a Nikon battery and compare it with the new Fujifilm battery. I think they are almost the same size. The Nikon battery is a bit taller and the Fuji is a bit wider. Here we have another manual. With every Fujifilm camera you get the Capture One Express photo editing software. And another caution paper. And more paper. And now let's take a look at the mirrorless camera Fujifilm X-T4. Let's open this up. And here it is in all its silver beauty. Here we have the new tiltable LCD screen. This is great for vlogging. On one of the sides we have the USB-C and the micro USB. Next we have the headphone jack and the remote. On the other side we have dual SD card slots. Let's put a card in. Here you have some leather ears for your strap. This is a very good looking camera. Here we have the new strap for Fujifilm X-T4. The quality of the strap is quite nice. It's better than what you get with a Nikon. And it looks quite sturdy. Now let's compare the Fujifilm X-T4 with Nikon D850 in size. It's quite a difference. This is going to help me in my travels and video shooting. If you like the intro, comment below and I will make a video on how I did it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and soon I will put a full review of the Fujifilm X-T4.